So in today's video we are going to look into theoretical, like we were done till the concept. Now today we are going with one example. What exactly by theoretical? We just expect or we give our own term which was theoretical, then you will calculate. I've discussed this in the last video, and the expected yield. These all are the yield. Okay, we like theoretical calculator expected yield. Just mean first we experiment, then we found the practical value, and that was actual. So this was the same concept. Now in today's video we are going to look into the okay, so if 1.5 mole of H2 gas react with 2 moles, just imagine we have this equation H2 which react with the O2, and they found we just get H2O. So first we need to balance this equation. If we'll add 2 here, this 2, we'll add 2 here, and we'll also add 2 here, so these both term would be balanced. Okay, then this 2 moles of oxygen gas to form 0.8 moles of H2O. So now calculate the percentage yield. Okay, so now this was our, and you may see that we have here 0.8 moles, which is the actual yield. Okay, then we are expecting that if we have 2 moles of hydrogen and 2 moles of hydrogen here, so we are expecting that we will also get 2 moles if we have 2 here, and we are expecting result as well 2, but we need to find that first. So given mole of H we will find later on. Before that we need to find the limiting reactant, and to find limiting reactant we need to add the first element we have, like the hydrogen we have, then oxygen. Look into the coefficient we just get here, 2H2O, we have written 2H2O, O2O. Okay, so now the best tricks you will ever find to like get the limiting reactant would be dividing like number of moles or dividing it with the coefficient which is present, coefficient. So number of moles here are present of hydrogen is around 1.5. You can look into here is 1.5, which is divided by 2. Where this like from where did we get 2? 2 here is this one 2, which is coefficient. So when you will divide this, you will find 0.75. Okay, and 0.2 here, O2, not 0.2 but O2. When you will look into this 2, you will add on the upper side, and the coefficient is nothing here, so we will of course add 1 here. So when you divide this, you will find the 2. So now you can look into which is limiting. So L reactant simply means this is the limiting reactant. Okay, this is the limiting reactant. So I'm sure you're just getting. So now here we need to find. So here we have given moles of hydrogen, which is 1.5 mole, is it's written in the question, 1.5 moles, and here we have just writing X. So we'll cross multiply, then 2x would be multiplied like this, 2x, and 1.5 multiplied by 2, this would be like this, and we found 1.5 mole. So now what we need to do, we need to find the expected yield now. Okay, so here now we'll find the expected result. So the formula which we have, the percentage yield is equal to number of actual moles. I'm writing A here, actual moles, which would be divided by what? It would be divided by the expected moles. E here is expected, M moles. This is not mass, but this is moles. Okay, so here actual value which is found is this one 0.8, this one 0.8. So 0.8, which would be divided by expected, and we expect this one 1.5 mole. How? We just suppose that if we are getting 2 here, we also get 2 here, and 1.45 mole was given, so we just expect we need to find this one. For that we add X here. So expected was 1.5 mole, so 0.8, which would be divided by 1.5, and formula also have which is multiply by 100. So when you multiply this, we'll also multiply here. So when you will divide this, you can also do that by your own. So you will find the value which would be 53.33.